Good evening. We want to introduce our parents, students, and faculty to the Van ISD Distance Learning website. What we're hoping this will accomplish for you guys is just to simplify the process of getting assignments and to create a hub of sorts where you can find everything that you need during this time of school closure to help continue learning at home. So whenever you click on the link to our website, you'll notice on the homepage, this is basically just a welcome and a how to use the site. There are some buttons on the side that have our COVID-19 updates, some additional learning activities that are amazing curation, digital textbooks and online apps, and then our special education resources. These are what I would call extra buttons, but at the top, or if you're on a phone, this will be in your menu option. You're going to be able to see all of your campuses. So if you have a student at Van Intermediate, a student at the elementary, or at the high school, you can click on this link and get your students' assignments all in the same place, which is what we really wanted to accomplish. So say, for example, you have a student at Van Middle School, and you need to find their 5th grade work. You can click on that subject level. You can go down to the subject. And here we have all of the math assignments for 5th grade for this week. In addition to the subject level information, you have a button that you can click to get in touch with your teacher. So this is for every grade and every one of the core subjects. I also want to draw your attention to a few more things, and that is under the More tab. We have some special education resources and 504 resources. So for our students that are receiving SPED services or accommodations, here are some ideas that will help you as you navigate this at home with your child. We will continue to update these with great options and tips. In addition to those options, there is a place to email your special education teacher at each campus. And lastly, we haven't forgotten about our awesome teachers. There is a resource tab just for you. And on this tab, you will find links to all kinds of really cool free content that is out there right now, especially this document that has 100 different resources that sparks creativity and fun. There's Region Center support links, Twitter resources, free ebooks, IXL at-home learning, and of course, us, your ITS team, and we're here to help you. So as you guys navigate this time of school closure, we want you to know that we're here to help you. And from all of us at Van ISD, we are praying for a safe and healthy time of school closure. Thank you.